Do you like it?
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. Good morning, Salam TV crew. Today we made a big mistake. I'm not happy about the result. Mark and I discussed about the window frame color and the back cabinet. We choose color as off-white. Back then we didn't paint our sled, so we thought like, yeah, white off-white will match with our sled and overall feeling on it. But as you guys can see, that it doesn't match anymore. Window frame just like pop it too much. Beginning of it, the wood color wasn't like this. You guys can see that the before varnish and after varnish. When we bought the varnish at the store, we asked them to give us the clear coat varnish and matte finish. When we opened that one, it has a color in it, like a little bit, you know, brownish color. So anyways, we were so behind of the times that we decided to like, let's try it. We have a 2 can of varnish. Let's try. If we don't like it, we're gonna change it. Overall, we like the, you know, like result. Like matte finish is like not like a matte feeling, not like a shiny feeling. It just bring the wood depth better, and then wood grain, you can see it. We liked it. Since the color changed a little bit darker and the kind of walnut wood color, this one is, I don't know, not happy about it. So we are planning to make our mistake to recover. The thing what we are gonna do, we are gonna take down all the sidewall, and then we are gonna take down the frame, and then we are gonna repaint our furniture. If we just like, yeah, I mean, I don't want to take down the sidewall, we already delayed this so many times and I cannot take it anymore, just like move on. This color is really important because it's gonna go down to the chassis main furniture area. If it will be like that, end of it, we can finish earlier, but a little bit earlier, but you know, we are gonna hate it, and then you know, that time we want to change it, it will be pain the butt. Let's do it. Let's take down the walls again. 네, 장갑은 또 어디를 갔나? 내 얼굴이 계속 들어간다. 타임랩스 이렇게 나오는데. Okay guys, we took down the frame. Actually, we put it back to sidewall because today is quite windy, and then we want to cover our insulation as much as we can. So I'm gonna show you something about interesting. So we don't have a frame, you know, we take down the window frame here, and you guys can guess how it will look like if we put the gray frame in there. And then this is the color we have right now. So we set our mind that we are gonna do the frame as the this backing color. So yeah, I think it's this one. This color looks better than this. Just let us know below the comment and then share your opinion too. Alright, let's back to work on the other wall and take down the frame. Store for getting the stuff, but Mark is not in good condition. It's a little bit boomsang today. But anyways, we are gonna get the paint and other stuff for our van. So hopefully, yeah, we can get everything today and Mark feels better.
Stars and sun all separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day. All the gods and all the angels, got them waiting at your table. It's giving you my heart was not enough. One thing's true, I never asked for nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu.
First we buy, right?
Yeah.
We need it, right?
Yeah.
Later for them. 잘 봐야 한다. 물건 섞여 있기 때문에. Yeah, I think it'll be good, right? Shopping's done.
Shopping is done.
끝났습니다. 이제 계산하러 가야지. 어지러워라.
There's white paint again. Oh, how thick it is. Good paint in here. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Up in a painted cup, I will pour my love from a cloud above. So bright I can see the lights taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly.
Okay guys, we changed our furniture color. This is grayish white, I should say off-white gray color, but absolutely it looks like, you know, white right now. And this one is I painted inside of the van. I think I shouldn't do that kind of stuff because I feel kind of headache and I feel high right now. But anyways, it looks pretty good. Awesome. Guys, finally we put our new frame. Last night we carried this one to our home and we painted it and dried it. But one thing, it looks dry. So we installed it, and now you can see it's just kind of like paint is kind of moving around. I guess inner layer still is not dry perfectly. And one thing difference is like this paint and this paint are from different brand. Because like the shop didn't have it yesterday. I think they don't have it still. So I thought it'd be similar to dry it out, but I guess this paint will take a long time to dry it. So now it is okay, it's fine. It has a kind of like a mark in here and there, smudge mark, but we are gonna like sand it and then, you know, like touch up later. It's not a big deal. And I think overall this one looks better than, you know, yellowish off-white, right? What do you think?
Way better.
But anyways, this side is done. We are gonna move to this one. Ooh, too bright outside. Okay. Alright guys, we set the other one, two. Here, one, and here, two. So now we are gonna put the cabinet there. Okay guys, we just set up the back cabinet. It took some time because some of the face frame didn't line up. So we struggle a little bit, but yeah, overall it looks good. My camera is quite crooked today. Anyways, it's done. You guys can still see the installation. We're gonna put the backing wood later. Right now I'm just setting up the basic stuff. So yeah, it looks good. I mean, it's not that tons of room, you know, you guys think about that. Our car is not that big, but I'm glad that we have top storage here and little tiny space. I'm happy about it. And then we have a cabinet door too, so clothing, I love it. And then top part also we are gonna put the backing, and I really like the little feature we have it. It's like just like, yeah, small thing, but I kept it for 4 years. It's just like I really want to put it in the TV 1.0 a long time ago, but didn't have a place to put it. But finally 2.0 we found the place, so we might hang some of stuff, and it's nice. And unfortunately, we want to finish the front cabinet today, but it is getting dark and I think we gotta go home and then eat dinner and then prepare tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna work on that one. Okay guys, everything is set right now. The front cabinet is done. A little bit struggle here and there because the face frame was quite tricky. But look at this, look at the top storage, and here this cabinet also has the same problem as back one. So this bracket cannot hold this door, so we put this one. So it's just working great. As I say before, backing wood will be installed later. But look at that, looks good, isn't it? We might need to, absolutely we need to touch up with the paint later, but overall looks good. It is done. But anyways, overall I'm happy about it. So before I finish our vlog, this vlog, I want to say thanks to our Patreon members and the Pioneer, and then who support us through other sources. And thank you for watching our video. If you guys are curious about some stuff, just leave the comment below, and then see you next vlog. Bye bye.